Tina.
I'm Ross.
And today we have another unboxing. This is not something that was sent to us, but something we purchased. It's the Hotel Chocolat Velvetiser. So we had never heard of this, and one of our viewers, Neil M, sent us some Hotel Chocolat chocolates, which we'd never had the chance to try before. And a lot of people were bringing up the Velvetiser, which is a hot chocolate maker. And so we were kind of curious about it, and all of a sudden these ads started showing up for me because we can't get the chocolates here in the US, but they are now selling the Velvetiser in the US. So we were intrigued, and we did put up a poll on our community page. So thank you everybody who participated in the poll. I'd say the majority of the people answered either they had one and loved it, they don't have one but would like to have one. Some people said, yeah, it's too expensive for a hot chocolate maker, and then quite a few people actually said, a velvet what? Which is kind of how our first reaction when we heard of one.
And I will say, when you started to show interest in this product, I wouldn't say you were nagging.
I was not nagging.
I just said, I would not say you were nagging, but you were aggressively reminding me how much you were interested in one of these fine products. It's like I would catch you on the couch watching YouTube.
I watched a lot of reviews, yeah. I wanted to see it in action.
You watched quite a few reviews, hint, hint, nudge, nudge.
And most of them are from the UK, so I have not seen much as far as Americans reviewing it. So I don't know if it's more a newer product for the US. Definitely something we had never heard of.
Yeah, and I will say, the reviews that we saw, it didn't look like anyone was disappointed.
Yeah.
And they looked like there were some comparable products, but the videos we saw where people were trying the product, they seemed very happy with it.
Yeah. So we decided I thought it over for quite a while, and I was on the fence. I thought, do I really need something for hot chocolate? But then I also noticed they had lattes, and I am a big coffee drinker. So that's part of what sold me on it, thinking that, oh, hey, I could do lattes as well. You
found reasons to proceed.
Yeah, and then the other thing is I signed up for email notifications, and they had a Father's Day sale come up. So I was kind of thinking the best deal was you can get like 4 packages in the Velvetiser, and that was the best deal. It looked like that one was not on sale, but I went ahead and put everything in the cart, and then all of a sudden when everything was in the cart, boom, 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 a better sale came up. And I'm like, ooh, we got a decent deal. I think it was $130 for 4 boxes, the Velvetiser, and I think we're supposed to get some cups, although I'm not sure if they shipped or not. We were kind of we don't really care about the cups, but yeah. So, are you ready to unbox this thing and see what it looks like?
Yes, we're ready.
All right. I'm not sure which way's the top, but thank you. Yeah, maybe you can pull that out for me.
Okay, might have more room if we remove some of these fine products here. Let's see, it looks like these are
so yeah, we got 2 different lattes. We have a hazelnut latte.
And a cafe mocha latte.
And then we got 2 of the hot chocolates. We have mint drinking chocolate. That was your request. Both love mint. Well, they even have, I didn't notice we've actually had this sitting for a while. I didn't know they put it in cold pack, so that's really good. I started thinking about that. We were supposed to get some really hot weather. I thought, oh no, that's right. These might be, I think they're okay.
Hopefully they're not solid blocks of chocolate.
We also got the milky 50% drinking chocolate, which seemed like that was just sort of a standard one to try out.
What was that one where someone reviewed it, left a comment that said it either had a taste or a scent of like old leather?
I forgot which one that was. It was one of the dark chocolates, I think.
Yeah, somebody wasn't overly sold on it.
Yeah. So let's go ahead and
here we go.
Pull out the real deal. But yeah, that was kind of a nice surprise that they did have some cold packs in there, because definitely shipping in the US this time of year. And in fact, they even said that they weren't going to ship over the weekend. We ordered on a Thursday night, and I didn't expect it to go out until Monday. But they actually shipped it out the next day. It got to us by Monday. So it actually was very quick shipping.
Yeah.
Very pleased with that.
No complaints on the shipping. So, this is what you aggressively reminded me.
Yeah, so we got the copper one. That was our favorite color. They come in white and they show black here. I think they have like a silvery platinum one now too. I don't see it on this box, but they were actually out of that one when I went to order, so that must be a very popular color.
I know which one you preferred if it came in that red. If it came in red. Like your coffee maker.
I do love red. Yeah. All right, so we've got an instruction manual here. Tells you how to use it. And I'm thinking, just based on all the videos I've watched, I think you have to clean it out first. Do a nice cleaning. Yeah, has instructions on your first clean. All right. Maybe we should turn it on the side.
Sure. And Viola. So.
Oh, it does have the cups in there. Okay. I wasn't sure because they said only part of your order shipped, and I didn't see the cups on there. And I thought, oh, maybe they're out of cups, and then I send them later. But I do see they're in there.
Yes. Because everything tastes better out of a Hotel Chocolat cup.
Yes, and they're supposed to look like the cacao pods or something. That's what they look like. Here is what the device looks like. The actual velvetizer. It's got a nice handle here.
Feels kind of heavy.
Yeah, it's a nice solid feel to it.
It doesn't feel like cheap plastic. Feels pretty sturdy.
And here's where the magic happens, right here. Get that all out. So I think what we'll have to do next is clean this out, and we will try brewing our first hot chocolate. Maybe we'll try a cafe latte and one of the chocolates. How's that sound?
Sounds good.
Yeah, and they do have limited edition flavors. I don't think we got any. I noticed that they had the banoffee pie flavor, which I would have ordered. They were out of stock. So.
Was there also one with raspberry?
And for those of you in the US, it does have the US plug.
Nice.
The other interesting thing was it's supposed to brew in 2.5 minutes, which I think is the same as in the UK. And I thought the whole thing with the electric kettles is they are a lot slower here, so they're not very popular. It's just as easy to, boil a pot of water on the stove. But so I thought, okay, well, let's see if this actually does it in 2.5 minutes.
Okay. All
right, so we will be right back. All right, so here it is. We're getting ready to make our first batch of latte and chocolate. So here we have a cafe mocha latte and mint. So we will start off by pouring the milk to the line. All right, so we're gonna pour these in. It seems like they may have gotten a little melted in transit. We brought it in as soon as it arrived here, but it is hot here in the US, so actually it's not looking too bad. Ross was just trying to break it all up. Here you can see it in the velvetizer. And you just put the lid on. And just push the button here. And it starts to do its magic. Okay, looks like it's done. The light goes out on the button there. And it does have a little lip here for us to pour. All right, so there it is. That is the mint chocolate. And we will get ready to prep the next one. So we have to clean this out and get ready for our cafe latte. Okay, so we're back with our Hotel Chocolat cafe mocha latte over here and mint drinking chocolate on that side. See if I can show what it looks like. It's all frothed up. And we had heard some complaints about it not being hot enough, but feeling the outside of the cup, it feels pretty warm to me.
It feels plenty hot to me.
Yeah. All right. We're going to go in and try them.
Sure. Yeah.
Nice. This one has a lot of coffee flavor. I noticed when we opened up the package, like, ooh, good. It's got a lot of coffee scent to it, so I thought that was nice. It'll be a nice change from just the chocolate. Yeah.
This has a nice strong chocolate mint flavor to it.
It does have a little bit of the chocolate flavor as well, but I like that a lot of the coffee is shining through too.
Mm-hmm. You know you're dying to try it.
I am.
Ooh, yeah.
Isn't that nice?
Yeah.
Yeah, this is good too, and that sort of velvetized feeling in your mouth. You know, it's very kind of light and frothy and velvety, actually.
Yeah,
that's why they call it the Velvetiser, right?
I was kind of skeptical about this before, thinking, well, is it really going to make that much of a difference? And yeah, I believe it does.
It's very nice. Yeah.
Now, another thing we saw, and when you were aggressively reminding me how much you wanted this, in some of the review videos, there were some people that, I don't know if they were avoiding the warranty, but they were buying
their own chocolate
bars.
Yeah, I noticed they do recommend against that. They say it can kind of mess things up, like with the temperature sensing, I believe.
Mechanism of some sort.
Yeah.
Or does it really? But yeah, I think a person took like a Mars bar, and
yeah, that just got kind of crazy. They were doing all these different chocolate bars, and I'm thinking that sounds like it could really muck things up if there's something besides chocolate in there. But
yeah,
but we have a lot of. Each one of these has 10 packets in it. We got 4 boxes, so that's 40 different servings. That'll last us a while. They are fairly expensive, but I believe you can get on a subscription plan that reduces the price a little bit. I'm thinking at least this will last us a while. It is summer, not the best time for the hot drinks, but they do have a lot of recipes. I know maybe they're doing this especially for the American market because it gets so hot here in the summer, about making them iced. So they have recipes on how you can use the Velvetiser, make it into an iced chocolate drink or an iced cafe latte. So I definitely want to try some of those out. Yeah. For the summertime, and then maybe do more ordering in the summer, because even despite all the best efforts with the cold packet, it looked like it had gotten a little bit melted, possibly.
Right. Yeah. And as you were saying about cold drinks, yeah, I mean, I'm holding the box of there were 10 little packets of the mint drinking chocolate. It has instructions here for both hot and chilled.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, I would definitely want to keep an eye on their site for other limited edition flavors. Some of them sounded really good. Like they had a chocolate peanut butter one that came out. We missed that one.
Oh, yeah. I can tell you some of the flavors right now.
Okay.
100% dark, 85% dark, 70% classic, 50% milky, 45% nut milk, 36% vanilla white, ginger orange, hazelnut praline, salted caramel and clementine, chili, mint, peanut butter.
See, that peanut butter and Black Forest Gâteau, those, they show them on here, but those came up as limited edition flavors and they were not available. Yeah. Because I would have liked to have tried either one of those.
I would like to try a dark chocolate raspberry.
Yeah. I thought I did see, that might have been a limited edition one too that we missed out on. And for the mocha lattes, they have cafe, hazelnut, chocolate, and caramel.
They all sound good.
Yeah, so interesting flavors. So if you're thinking, I don't want something that just does hot chocolate, if you like mocha lattes. They do a good job on that too. So I'm very happy that that turned out very well. It has a nice coffee flavor to it. So very happy.
Yeah, you know, there's some appliances, kitchen gadgets that you might see advertised, and they look like they're sturdy, but when you actually touch them and you pick them out, it's like, this feels like cheap, light plastic. And actually pretty...
It feels sturdy, yeah. And let's face it, it looks nice. It'll look nice on your counter.
Yeah. Copper, rose gold.
I really like that copper color. Yeah, that looks very nice in our kitchen, I think.
It does. Yeah, but as you said, it does feel sturdy. It doesn't feel cheaply made. And
I believe it comes with a 1-year warranty that we'll need to sign up for. So yeah, if you're on the fence and you want to spend some money on a nice hot chocolate maker, give Hotel Chocolat a try. Whether you're in the UK or the US, I would definitely maybe look out for some of the sales though, so you can get a good deal on it. It seems like they often do have this deal where you can get the 4 boxes, the Velvetiser and 2 cups. They usually have that one marked down, but we got it marked down even more, so I was very happy about that. I thought, you know, because I think that was like $180 and that was the marked down price. We got it for $130, so I feel like we got a pretty good deal on it for over here, because I think it is more expensive here in the US, even with the exchange rate, than it is in the UK.
Yeah, and each one of these boxes, I don't know if you mentioned it, contains 10.
Contains 10. Yeah. And here I think they're about $22, so, you know, definitely it's cheaper than going to Starbucks, I'll say that. And honestly, probably tastes just as good.
Probably couldn't tell the difference. But yeah, I'd say it was pleasantly surprised at how good this is.
Yeah. So let us know in the comments, again, if you have a Velvetiser, let us know. Let us know how you like it. What are some of your favorite flavors? We're definitely going to keep our eye out on any new limited edition flavors. So let us know in the comments. Or maybe now you're inspired to buy one. So if you like food reactions and food tastings, be sure to give our video a thumbs up. Also subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you know we publish a new video. And until next time, bye-bye.
Bye.